How to disable iPhone may be too close screen distance alert. So if you want to disable the iPhone may be too close or screen distance alert, then just follow the steps. There are two ways. The first one is when the alert appears on your screen, you'll find that there is no option to close it. If you only want to know how to disable the alert, so it goes this way. Simply move your iPhone far, like 12 inches away from your face, and you will see the continue button on the screen change color. Here on the bottom, you will have this kind of continue button. Tap it to resume the task at hand. This might be your fix, but the second option is open the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on the screen time option. Navigate to the screen time option. If you have a screen time passcode set up, enter it to access the settings. Once you tap on the screen time, now you will have an option of screen distance. Simply tap on the screen distance and then you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply toggle it off. To reduce the eye strain and the risk of myopia in children, screen distance will allow you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So if you want to disable that option, simply toggle it off, and that's it. That's how you can disable, or that's how you can fix the iPhone maybe too close screen distance alert. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.